Hello, this is Sophie Dawson from sophiedawson.com, and little Monty the Mouse is with us today, who lives in a house with his big ears. And today we're looking at this one, which should hopefully be issue number 214 of the ImagineFX Magazine for July 2022. So let's go and have a look at this one. So this one's just popped through my letterbox, and I thought I'd do the video, but the plot thickens on this one. So far we've looked at these ones, which have been all of the 2022 ones, but the last issue, number 213, actually got lost in the post. So they sent me a replacement, which wasn't the subscriber cover. And what the shame of it is that it's actually one of my favourite covers. But what I did actually write a message to them asking if they had any left, and I haven't heard back yet. So I don't know what's going to happen there. But what I will say is my favourite covers so far is probably that one for the February one. I love that one, but I love this one probably more. But with the text, I don't fancy the text on it. But the thing with these is, they've gone back to the paper envelopes. So I think what happens is, subscriber issues come in paper envelopes, and then if you get a replacement one, it seems to come in like a plastic bag. That's a bit strange. I wonder why they've done that. But little Monty's going to let us in. So this is a Click Look unboxing. And what we do on these is, we quickly look at the magazine for the first time, with Monty's help. And, well, what colour do you reckon the cover is? What do you reckon's on it? I think it'd be nice if we had a little animal. So we've got Proco, Stamprokapenko. What have we got in here? Oh yeah, it's the Dungeons and Dragons one. Oh, cool. I'm excited for this. That's a nice cover, that is. Is it my favourite? Yeah, it's one of them. I like the fact we've got two characters, because it means we've got like a connection going on here. There's like a little there's some sort of like story already, because when you get multiple characters, it creates like a story. Oh, this is going to be cool. The cover artist is Clint Cearley. I like that name. The Art of Dungeons and Dragons. So little Monty gets us in. Look how shiny these covers are. They're way too shiny for my liking. Because what I've been doing is I've just started doing the first year's worth of ImagineFX magazines, which was 2006. So it was almost like 20 years ago. But back then, the covers were a lot less shiny. So I wonder why they chose to do that. Let's get into this one. Here's our little editor, Rob. Oh, what I'm going to do is, before I'm going to cover up the I'm just going to turn to the page with the thingy. I'm going to cover up the thing. That's it. Because then I don't have to do any editing in the thing on the computer. That's a nice one. I wish they changed their photos each issue. Oh yeah, hey look, she's got 3 eyes. Oh, that's a nice one. Create a fantasy illustration. Again, you've got like a friendship there. So we've got, that would have been a beautiful cover as well, wouldn't it? Imagine that on the cover. The sketchbook looks cool. Look at the artist's studio. This looks like a really fun one. That's going to be cool as well. Hey, it's a manga one next time. Cool. So the next one's going to be all about manga. They seem to do a Manga Special each year. They seem to have one Manga Special each year. That's what I've noticed. That is going to probably be my favourite cover, I reckon. And so on the video, what have we got here? Look, we've got over 2 hours of videos. One of them is this one. That'd be cool. We've got some tutorial files as well. Yay! I've seen that one before. I love that one. I don't. Oh, when was that? That was on one of the covers though. That was actually one of my favourite covers. The FXPosé. Look at this, look. This is beautiful, isn't it? This is cool. What's so brilliant about these is all the different types of styles and stuff. Oh, look at this one here. How cool is that? That is amazing. See, I'd look into this artist. That's like a little wormhole. I imagine in the old days, Stonehenge was used to create portals. So I reckon you actually could sort of go between dimensions. Oh, what a beautiful FXPosé section this is. What do you reckon that's called? That's called Against the Flow. Oh, that's beautiful. Animals. These are lovely as well. There's lots of different types of stuff in this one. The Rookies. The Rookies is a platform to help digital artists get discovered without having to compete with professionals for attention. That's quite cool. www.therookies.co. That might be worth looking into. I feel like I've seen it before somewhere. Warrior Women. Oh yeah. Hey, Lara Croft. Oh, what a cool thing this is. There's something about like a powerful female that I love it. Especially when they got a weapon. Like when females are, look at it, look, when females have got weapons, I just find it very sort of sexy. Also, when you've got a character with a creature, like a little sidekick. These are beautiful, these are. And again, they're all sort of, they're all different. Look at this, look. Anna Podedworna. This is her art studio. That's cool, isn't it? She's bringing the plants into her art studio. I love that. I wonder if she's got little creatures in there as well. Hey, she's got a snake, look. She's got pythons. I thought she might have had creatures. He's cool. Yay! Totoro! Little Totoro! This is a very unique looking art studio. Would you like to have that? I would. My letter's still not in here. I don't think they're going to put my letter in here, which is a shame. If my letter's not in the next one, what I'll do is I'll read it out on the thing. Meet the artist behind Dungeons and Dragons. This is cool. I love stuff like this. So look, you're getting an interview with each of the different artists. Tyler Jacobson, Nikki Dawes, Ralph Horsley, Kate Irwin. Cool. Kieran Yana, Katerina Lodon. God, there's loads of them, isn't there? Jed Chafaria. I imagine now this is why they delayed the Dungeons and Dragons issue. Because look how big it is. April Prime, Zoltan Boss, Couple of Crocs. Well, that's cool. That must be, how many pages is that, do you reckon? 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12-page article. I feel like that's the biggest one they've ever done. So I think that's probably why they delayed it, because it was supposed to be in last issue. Max Dunbar's sketches. Cool. For me though, these aren't sketches. For me, these would be finished pieces. They're brilliant though. I like this one. Look, a flying bat with a little thingy on it. That's cool. Oh yeah. I'd look into this artist. Reminds me of a video game, Dragon's Crown, on the Vita. I love this. I love these two. Into the workshops, look. Learn advanced reference skills. Rachel Bradley. That's nice. Hey, that's cool, look. I love the sketch here. I feel like that's my favourite. I love sketches, I do. I feel like sketches is the best phase. Create a fantasy illustration. Hey look, there's two of them. Raide and Leffie. Cool. Oh, that would have been a beautiful cover, wouldn't it? Look at all these other. Look, everyone looks happy there. Apart from this one. I like all the presents as well, because those presents makes you feel like they're all friends, giving each other gifts. Cool. Look, all the little creatures. Drawing insects, the basics. Cool. I wonder if he actually had an actual what is that? Is that a wasp? But you know, if you're walking along the street and you see, say, a dead bee or something, if you see like a dead bumblebee on the floor, do you like bend down and have a look at it? Because if I ever see a dead rat, mouse, if I ever see a dead creature, I always inspect it, because I feel like it's nice when you can get up close, and also like if you touch them as well, you can feel the texture of these little creatures. Paint abstract portraits. I love that. If you can hear my belly rumbling, it's because I've just started a 2-day fast. I think I'm on about hour 16 or something. Me and my mum are both doing it. Here's the reviews, look. Mac Studio, £2,000. It's crazy, isn't it? I've got 400 gig memory, 32 gig of memory, 32 gigs. Studio display. I couldn't imagine spending that much money on something, really. The Art of Turning Red. This is our art book, is it? Yay! Hey, that's coming back, isn't it? Stranger Things is coming back in it's about 2 or 3 weeks' time. I can't wait. I've got a feeling it's going to have time travel in it. This is the only TV show that I watch. Stranger Things. It looks different though. That's going to be cool. I'm excited for that. They should do a Stranger Things issue. A little doggy there. That's nice. Everything's got room to breathe on that one. Oh, these are cool as well. What are these done with then? Oil, charcoal, pencil and digital media. These ones are done with watercolour, gouache, ink and pen, coloured pencils and oils. "25 tips for dynamic fantasy scenes." Oh, this would be an interesting one. I like the way they've set this out. It's very simple to read. Visualise and construct bones. Anatomy Part 4. And then we end with the first impressions. One of the things I liked about the first years of ImagineFX Magazine, they used to finish with a webcomic. I think they should go back to doing that. I feel like this is actually my favourite issue of the year in terms of content, because I think there's two beautiful workshops in here with these two. Oh, and this one as well. I feel like that one, the article about this one here, this article here, I think it's going to be very interesting to read. But the main thing is that the Dungeons and Dragons thing was amazing. And the sketches. Yeah, that was a brilliant article, a brilliant issue. And it's got my favourite cover as well. Oh, that's cool. So this is the new sheriff in town. I hope you enjoyed that. It was issue number 214 of the ImagineFX Magazine for July 2022. Dungeons and Dragons Special.